Alright, going to open up another package here. This is Pocket Infrared Thermometer. Now you may have seen us use this other infrared thermometer in other videos, and these are like 40 bucks, 50 bucks depending on where you get them. This one was 20 bucks at the shack, and basically it was a whim purchase. I leave this thing at the computers too often, and when we're out at the range or something, I wish I had a thermometer, so I thought maybe this would fill in the gap for us there. So it just comes with some quick paperwork here. So we're going to unscrew it. Now what I was impressed with, sometimes you buy stuff at Radio Shack, sometimes it's good, sometimes it isn't. This seemed pretty decent. Just looking at the quality of it, I'm pulling out a little clear piece of plastic here that keeps the batteries from working so it doesn't accidentally go off in the packaging, I guess. But you can tell there's a little O-ring in there and it seems pretty decent. It's rubberized, so I like that. And we're getting 96 right now, 87. So let's compare it. Let's see if it works. It says it can do from negative 27 to 230. So I'm hoping that that'll take us enough range that it'll be useful for some of the things we do. Since they both will work with it, let's use an indicator that should work the same on both, and that'll be this ice. Should be the same temperature because ice is a universal temperature. So we've got 41 degrees here, right at the top of the cup. 44 degrees this time. And we've got 35 degrees over here. So looks like one of these might need to be calibrated, or we just found a new interesting thing to test out or something here. So we got 36 degrees there. Yep, 45 degrees. Let's go a little closer. Now we've got 26.5 degrees. Let's go to Celsius, which should be 0 at freezing. And we've got 0.4. We'll flip to Celsius here. And we've got 2. So that tells us that this one might be the one that's a little high. 2. Stick it way in there. 1. So this one might be a little high. We'll take this one and have it right down there near the ice. And we're at 2.2. I think I touched the ice with it actually. And then we'll go in there again, really close to the ice. Negative 2.6. We'll come up here to the top. And we get an 8. We get really close to the ice. And we got a true 0.4. Come up here to the top. And we're at a 1. So, boy, that's interesting. I'm going to blow into the cup there. We got a 4.4. And we still get that 1.4. Let me switch that back. 34. Switch this back. 11. .2. Interesting. 4.4. 6, 12, 26, 13, 15, negative 1. Wow, this thing is not very good. So, wish I could have given it a better review. We'll see how the return policy is, because this thing does not seem very accurate. And honestly, I don't like that it's just sort of random. Who knows where it's pointing or what it's getting its reading from. Now it's saying 93.6, no, 33.6. Trust me, this room is not that cold. 34. I don't think my hand is that cold. 94. Probably sounds more like it. It's 100 and something degrees outside right now. 85 degrees on the counter. Seems about right. 28, that's not really acceptable. If it's still frozen from being in that cup, then it's retaining its readings for too long. So this thing will go back. Otherwise, I thought it would have been a great asset to the range bag to help us check out temperatures on barrels or suppressors, even on optics, or just the ambient temperature outside, but doesn't seem like it's going to work for us. Luckily, it looks like it'll be easy to put back into its packaging.